If you're in the market for a powerful professional gas range, you're a bit spoiled for choice. But given all the options, which one might be the best for your kitchen and cooking style? Heston or Blue Star? Heston and Blue Star both make powerful professional style ranges with an emphasis on design and burner functionality. In this video, you'll learn about each brand, their cooktops and burners, ovens, controls, and customization. At the end of the video, you'll have a better idea of which brand might be better for your cooking style, plus you'll learn how to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide. Let's get started. The cooktop is where these two ranges really contrast. Heston's cooktop is brushed stainless. This looks great, but isn't as easy to clean as porcelain enameled cooktops from other brands like Miele, Wolf, or Thermador. Blue Star's cooktop is entirely cast iron, meaning not just the grates, but the entire surface. It's modular, so it's easier to take apart and clean. Its burners are open, meaning that they can be completely disassembled for cleaning, reflecting Blue Star's commercial roots. Heston's CircuFlame Power Burner, in the case of this 36-inch range, is right in the middle. It's 30,000 BTUs, making it one of the most powerful burners on the consumer market today. This allows you to boil quicker and sear easier. The lowest burner goes all the way down to 500 BTU. You can hold a dish easier without scorching. This is a great temperature for holding a dish, but we found it difficult to caramelize the onions at this low of a temperature and had to find a higher temperature that allowed us to caramelize the onions without burning. Blue Star's Power Burner goes up to 25,000 BTU. That's powerful on its own, but again, the Heston has it beat at 30,000. We were able to boil water quicker on the Heston than the Blue Star. The lowest burner goes down to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and we were able to caramelize our onions without any scorching or burning. Heston's convection system is unique. It uses a fan, just like most brands, but it also cycles through different heat sources throughout the oven to produce a more even heat. Blue Star gas ranges use true European convection. It's powerful and creates an even heat, but in our experience, it's powerful enough to impact the results of delicate pastries, but is ideal for roasting meats and vegetables. The Heston ranges have chunky, brightly backlit control knobs that make it easy to tell which burners are on. There's also a small black and white touchscreen on the oven door handle. This display integrates well into the design, but isn't as easy to use as a full-color touchscreen. The Blue Star has big, easy-to-use control knobs as well, but they aren't backlit. You turn the convection system on and off with a big old-fashioned rocker switch. It's super simple and easy to use. We don't fault Blue Star for their simplicity. What you see is exactly what you get. There's no timer or displays. Both ranges are customizable. The Heston is available in 12 different colors. Blue Star has over 1,000 colors with dozens of knobs and trim options. Basically, limitless customization. If you're looking for a high-powered burner for high-temperature searing, wok cooking, and fast boiling, Heston is going to be the better choice. You also have a nicely laid out burner configuration to allow for larger pots and pans to fit easily. You can also probe cook with telescopic racks and efficient convection. Blue Star has the second highest BTU output for professional ranges. You can still achieve a very good sear, and the removable open grates allow a wok to sit close to the flame, and it comes standard with the interchangeable griddle surface. Blue Star controls are simple and easy to use with no frills. Thanks for watching. To learn more about ranges, cooktops, range tops, and even more professional cooking appliances, click the link in the description below to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide. And don't forget to like and subscribe.